Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I decided to cook beef Wellington, the amazing famous one, the one they make Gordon Ramsay proud. And for the assistance, I invited celebrity chef Alexander. He would help me with the cutting and prepping and pretty much everything. So for this we'll need a nice beef tenderloin, flake pastry, mushrooms, a little shallot, prosciutto, eggs, bourbon, this is bourbon, and bourbon mustard. So they both bourbon. Okay, wonderful. Eggs and butter. All right. So we will start with the cooking beef. It's slightly pre-cooked, so we'll need to finish. So Alexander.
I use avocado oil, not olive oil, because olive oil not recommended for frying unless it's special cooking grade. And we come back and turn it to the other side.
All right, done. All right, now Alexander show us how to cut loop professionally without cutting fingers, hopefully.
Yes.
Nice and tiny pieces. This is a real man chef job. That's why I invited. Beautiful, nice and small. Okay, so our mushrooms here. Gonna add inside those shallots. Nice slice of butter. Not too much because we don't want it to make it too greasy, so it's not going to be going through the dough and not so soggy. All right, just let it fry a little bit, and we use sea salt just for the taste, and fresh ground pepper, and our main ingredients, we'll use the bourbon. Okay. Yes, it's happy. I hear the special sound when bourbon coming in. Makes everybody happy. All right. So we'll just make this cook a little bit, make the magic happen, and we continue with our preparation for the dough and then inside the baking pot. All right, so our mushroom's ready. So I set the prosciutto on the table here. So we'll put the layers of mushrooms on the top. Okay, and now our beautiful beef goes right here. Okay, and to enhance the flavor, we'll cover it up with the bourbon mustard. All right, looks nice. Now we'll wrap everything. And I'll leave it in the fridge for about an hour to everything cool down. And get ready for baking. All right, here we go. Okay, our pie is ready. Hopefully, Gordon Ramsay will be proud. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 35 by Fahrenheit. Okay, here we go. Bye-bye. So long. Come back. Come. Okay, let's see. Time's up. Let's see what's cooking. I hear the sound. Well, it looks amazing. Now we're gonna cut it and try. All right, so look at this beautiful beef Wellington. It looks amazing. Fully baked, wonderful golden brown color. So now I will call Chef Alexander to cut it and we're going to try it. Alexander, join me, please. All right, so our celebrity chef Alexander's here. Now, matter in the man's hands. Da-da-da-da! Be gentle.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's open this up.
Yeah, baby.
That's beautiful.
We made it.
Gordon Ramsay, how are you doing? Did you make it? Look at this baby.
Beautiful.
Look at this beautiful color inside. Nice pink inside. Golden, brown, beige outside. There is the mushrooms, a little blood leaking. That is supposed to be, I guess. It's not supposed to be blood. I don't know where it's coming from. This is the juice of love.
Yes.
Okay. Ta-da! All right. This is the beef Wellington made from scratch. So with the mushrooms, prosciutto, tenderloin, a little bit of brandy, and lots of love. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Wow. Look at the beautiful color. Amazing. Look how beautiful it is. This is absolutely, absolutely delicious. It's so soft. It's not dry at all. And the mushrooms gives a special ding in it. And I can feel the brandy.
I can feel it.
It's
Absolutely
so
delicious.
amazing. All right. Continue.
If you like our recipe, the way we perform, you're welcome to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon.
Thank you.